So the question is what do you say to people who don't think you should pause because it comes across as contrived and insincere? My response to that is, in a professional setting, it's always better to think through what you say than to regret what you say later. Once it's out, it's out. The genie's out of the bottle, and we see, in a world where there's video everywhere, you see in public life, day in and day out, examples of people in leadership positions who said something without thinking about it, and it has a real long, potentially devastating consequences. Because communication is something that can't be retracted, even if you say you're sorry or I didn't mean it, it can never go back. So my argument is that it's always, for me, I always feel more comfortable taking my time and making sure that I'm communicating what I really want to communicate. And everyone has to decide for themselves that balance of authenticity versus making sure that I don't release something out of a bottle that I can never shove back in.